You think companies care about your resume? Well, some do, but a lot of them care more about one thing, your GitHub. They see Java, React, Spring Boot on your CV, then they click your profile, and it's empty, or it's a graveyard of half-finished tutorials. That's where so many applications quietly die. In this video, I'm going to show you how recruiters actually look at your GitHub and how you can completely fix it in the next 30 days. First, let's talk about what they are not doing. They are not reading every single line of your code. They are not cloning your repo and running your app locally. And they are definitely not doing a full-scale code review. They are scanning. They're looking for a story. And that story answers 3 questions. Question 1, does this person actually build things? Question 2, are there any projects that look real, or is everything just a copy of the same YouTube tutorial everyone else has done? And question 3, is there any sign of consistency, or did this person just code like crazy for 1 month and then completely vanish? Honestly, most junior developers fail this test. Their profiles are a mess of too many repositories, no clear focus, and absolutely nothing looks finished. So, let's flip this around. Here are 3 things that matter way more than you probably think. Number 1, finished small projects. I'm not talking about a giant, world-changing startup idea. Forget the full-stack Uber clone. I mean simple, even boring, tools that actually work. Think a notes app, a budget tracker, a tiny API for something you find interesting, or a URL shortener. If it runs, has a few real features, and you can explain it clearly, that already puts you leagues ahead of most CVs. Number 2, a clear README file. This is your project's front door. When a recruiter opens your repository, they should instantly see what the project does, how to run it, the tech stack you used, and maybe a couple of screenshots to show it in action. A good README makes a small project look like a real, professional product. A bad or missing README makes even a huge, complex project look like total chaos. Number 3, your commit history. Now, they're not looking for perfect, unbroken daily streaks, but they absolutely will notice if all your commits happened in one crazy weekend and then there is radio silence for the next 6 months. A few commits sprinkled throughout each week over several months tells them you show up. It proves you're consistent and not just cramming for interviews. So, how do you actually fix your GitHub in just 30 days? It's simpler than you think. Step 1, pick one main project. Just one. Something you are confident you can finish in 2 or 3 weeks. Step 2, schedule short, focused coding sessions. Maybe 45 minutes a day or a couple of hours on the weekends. The key is consistency. Build the core features first. Don't get distracted by chasing the latest, fanciest tech. Step 3, in the last few days of your project, stop adding new features. It's time to polish. Clean up your code. Fix any obvious bugs. And most importantly, write that amazing README. Take some clean screenshots. Make it look good. Step 4, pin that polished repository to your GitHub profile. Make it the very first thing people see when they land on your page. After that, you just repeat the cycle. Pick another small project. Write another clean README. Add another pinned repository. In just a few months, your GitHub will stop looking like a tutorial graveyard and start looking like a real developer's portfolio. Always remember this, your resume is what you say you can do. Your GitHub is the proof that you can actually do it. If you start treating your GitHub like your real resume, I promise you, your interviews will get a lot easier. If this resonated with you, subscribe to DevMindset. Let us work together to turn your GitHub into something you are genuinely proud to send out with your name on it. Thanks for watching.